Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Exeter. I'm just up for my morning dog walk. Don't know if this will catch this. It's going to have to be a really quick video as it won't come out. Yay. Ladybirds. Not sure if I've ever seen one that colour. Usually they like that. But we're learning all the time. Got to try and keep really still for this one because I'm zoomed in. And I expect River will make a run for it in a minute. Yes! No, River! I just love squirrels. They're so cute. Some of them are grey. There's a few red ones. There's red ones at the other park. Some of them here are grey and red. You know, at the same time. But River has a field day when they're out, so I need to keep her on her lead when they're out and about. Bless. I'll make, seeing I'm going around the block today, I'll make a couple of videos of as I go around. It's really hard. Sat on the bench just now. I was just sat up there. Hello. Someone's lost a wheel, most likely stolen. If I go down to the skate park, these are the steps I walk down, and there's a lot of them, but I haven't been coming back that way. I'm coming past these old houses now. This is part of the old Roman wall, which I do plan to do the whole thing, probably in stages. I have to put a lead on in a sec. I bet there isn't many dogs that have walked on the Roman wall. You be careful, Rev, it's a long drop the other way. Not sure if you can see that through the trees. That white thing. That's the Millennium Bridge down by the river that I did a video on once. She's still on the wall. Come on. And then now, I've got this one on long. No, I haven't. Hang on. Just normal now. We're coming out into the sun now. Yeah, it looks cloudy, but it's nice. It's a nice view from up here. Those flats there, hang on, I'll do a sec. Right, those flats there. Oh, why do I have to have brain fog at a time like this? Was it the lady in the bag? No, it wasn't the lady in the bag, but there is a documentary. Somebody got murdered. Lived in those flats there. I need to check up on that, find out which one now. Riv, come this way. River, come this way. Might be losing River. No, it's okay. Come on. shame about these flats here they built. Horrible. It would have been a really nice view. Well, it still is, but you know. So this bit here is, I don't know if it's been rebuilt, but this was called Snail, funny enough, Snail Tower, but it's spelled S-N-A-Y-L-E. Looking over at the river, not the four-legged one. And I think this thing here must have been to do with the, because we are really close to the river, it's just all the houses are in the way, you can't see it. It must be to do with the, when it was a working place and the cotton mills and stuff, because Exeter's well known for, there we go, Snail Tower. That's just for you, Davey. Yeah, funny we were talking about snails just now, isn't it? Yeah, just for you. And of course Jess, because Jess has got the, Jess owns the snails. Keep walking down here now. Just do little clips. I don't know, I might put them all together. Who knows? This is a nice big old house. I love this one. I don't know if anybody lives in there though. I don't know. Because I'm always looking through the window and it's just like somebody died and all their stuff's packed up. Beautiful stained glass windows. You can't see them very well because of the light, but they're very beautiful. I've got a couple of stained glass windows at home actually. Somewhere. I don't know if I should video in here really, but yeah, you might be able to see. I think it's to myself. I don't know if anybody lives in there. I wonder who lived in there. Is it for sale? Not that I can afford it anyway. Lovely big old houses. Beautiful. I should have brought out my gimbal thing, shouldn't I? I'm always saying that. I do have it at home or in the flat, but there's beautiful windows. Love big old houses. Yeah, that's just where we've walked down. This is all the stuff about it, but I can do that when I do the thing on the wall. I remember when that cinema was new, just a little one picture house. Never been in it. So this is a lovely old building. Westgate Christian Fellowship. I was trying to think what it was when I used to live in Exeter. It was something else back then, I don't know, and I don't know what it was originally. Hang on, it will say on here, won't it? There we go. This stone was laid September 30th, Anno Domini 1817, by a minister of Jesus Christ with the desire of raising an earthly temple in which may be proclaimed the great truth contained in the word of his master. I don't know what that says. Other foundation. Can no man lay, then that is laid, which is Jesus Christ. I don't get that bit. So these are other beautiful. I'm dropping the phone because I've got the dog on the lead now. To let. I wonder if it's just a flat in there or the whole house. Dropping the phone for somebody's window. How beautiful again, eh? Yeah, beautiful. beautiful. River's behind me. Come here. Yeah, there's an old street like that with a new on top bit. Didn't really want to get the scaffolding in, but there we go. This is our morning walk. She's pulling me again. Sorry about that scaffolding again. These are beautiful houses here. Everything's really old around here. This is the gate I went through into the park, and I was just over the other side there. So we've walked round. It's a lovely old building there, look. These tall chimneys. These were around back in the bloody cars. They had servants' quarters and all that. I know some of them are flats now, but if you owned one of these, you'd be pretty rich, wouldn't you, if you owned the whole building. Crossed over the road now. So the old servants' quarters would have been down there. So I bet they've got some wicked cellars. I'd have thought she wouldn't like. I don't like walking across these, but she doesn't seem to mind. And we got some big old houses over there as well. Do you remember this one in one of my other videos? I think I've filmed this bit before, but she's got a little best friend who sits in the window and she itches. Every time we go past, it itches to see the pussycat. No, no, no. You see how naughty she is? No, don't frighten the cat. Beautiful little cat, so cute. A nice old light there, look. Oops. Nice light there. All been changed obviously to electric. River's pulling me again. This is a beautiful building. I'm not sure what it is though. Well, it's flats now these days, but guess I could find out. Is it the old? No, I'm not sure. I will find out. Yeah, look at the old cobbles. They've got lots of cobbly places. Oh, I'm saying we, I don't even live here anymore, do I? But there's lots of little cobbly streets in Exeter. It's another one of those nice lights over there. This is really difficult filming with her because you need two hands to use a camera, really. And I got her in one hand and she just keeps pulling me. So that's why it's better just to do sections, I guess. So this place I showed you in another video, St Nicholas Priory. But it's open this afternoon and it's free. So I might go in. Dog's not allowed in there. I might go in and see if they'll let me do a little video. That's that lovely little park. No cars parked in there. See how beautiful it looks? Just before I go back, I'm making a slight detour because I want to show you something. It's really interesting. I walk past it a lot on a graffiti. And although, is it this one? And although I have taken pictures, hang on. Yeah, there are lots of churches in Exeter. This one being newly built, obviously on sacred ground. This is what I wanted to show you. I wish there wasn't cars parked there. Alright, give me 2 seconds. Oh, there must be a service going on in there. I can hear the choir. You probably won't be able to hear it because of the traffic. But look at this, look. Look at these gravestones. It's quite amazing how they're standing. So, was this the old churchyard once upon a time? I guess so. Yeah, I had to stop filming then. Start again. Yeah, look at these. These are amazing. So I'm assuming this originally was an old graveyard, and these people are either buried underneath us and they've put the stones there. Well, yeah. I can't see them. I can't see. Look at that. How disrespectful. I suppose I won't be able to find a bin to put it in now. I'm just going to look for a bin. Yeah, I just came out to the front of the church to put that bottle in the bin. So I guess this will... the history of the church. So yeah, bit of stop-start. It's going to take me ages to edit this, but I might just clip it all together and stick it out. So yeah, by 1965 the church building was declared unsafe, demolished and rebuilt. The new church opened in 1970. Blah blah blah. So that's what it did look like. And the Methodist church, the new building, that's what it looks like now. Right, I'm back off the street now and I'm on my way home, and I just wanted to show you these. It's not every day you come across something like this against the wall. Yeah, I've taken lots of pictures of these. Eliza, there we go, Eliza again, Mary, the beloved daughter of Thomas and Elizabeth Howe, who died April the 10th. (1841), age, does that say 17? 17 years. What? Elizabeth Howe died September the 5th, 1845. Oh, age 5 weeks. Edwin Howe died March the 4th, 1845. Does that say age? 5 years? Also to the above named Thomas Howe, who died September. Age 51 years. And somebody had actually stuck a lager bottle on top of that. It's just terrible. What's going on here? Are these just all for kids or something? To the memory of Jane, wife of Joseph Blackmore, who died February . Not sure what that says. 1843. Age. Not sure what that says. Aged. Also, son of George. Giovanni. Does that say Jane? Their infant daughter, who died September. September 1827, age 5 months. So these all kids or something. Although I have took pictures of them, I must admit I've not really looked at them. I take pictures and then I go through them and edit them and brighten them up a bit and then look at them properly then. And what's this one? Departed this life November 22nd. Is that 1828? Where they did the one. Age, that must be 14 years. God. Precious relics. I can't read the rest of it. God. I can't read this one at all. Gosh, yeah, every time I've walked past those, they've intrigued me. I didn't know there were so many children there. It's a cool, like, Tudor house, isn't it? There's an amazing Tudor house that I can do a video on, that I can tell you about. There's lots of history. Come here. There's lots of history in that, so I might do that one day. That's not far from here. It won't be today. That's, you know, if you're interested. So I'm gonna go back and put all these clips together. Put my feet up for an hour. And we're walking through the park. Shame about the bin, but at least it's not a car. Underneath this beautiful wisteria. Come on, Rev. Oh, you're doing a pee. I'm sorry, girl. Try and get her along.